Hello, children. Let's begin our day today. So, today is Friday and the date is 24th of April 2020. Now, let's move on to the thought. A thought of the day is daily quote that gives you positive opinion to start your day with encouragement and inspiration, wisdom and ponderings from people of all walks of life. So today's thought is there is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. I repeat, there is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. So let's begin with the chapter today. Today we are going to start chapter 3, The Way Animals Talk. Like human beings, animals also need to communicate to survive. Unlike humans, they cannot speak. Instead, they use their body movements, their sense of hearing and smell to receive and transmit information to each other. The howls of the wolves, the croaking of the frogs, the chirping of birds, the wagging of a dog's tail, these are all examples of animal communication. Gestures and body movements are the most common ways of communicating among animals. Animals often make specific body movements to convey certain messages. Animals may also use visual signals in the form of facial expressions, body posture, or mimicry to communicate. Apes and monkeys make great use of facial expression to show their feelings. Animals also use a range of sounds to communicate. Vocal communication is essential for many important tasks like warning calls, communicating locations of food sources, etc. Males of many species also use vocal sounds to attract females for mating. Some species don't just make sounds vocally to communicate, they use other parts of their bodies to make sounds. Crickets and grasshoppers are common examples. Rattlesnakes vibrate the tips of their tails as a warning signal. Animals communicate by sound because it can travel over long distances. It is an adaptable signal which animals can change depending on the conditions. Animals communicate by touch or touching. Mother cats nuzzle their kittens to comfort them. Male deer lock horns to show their dominance. Dogs lick their owners to show they are happy. Most animals also have a strong sense of smell and can detect specific scents over long distances. They use scents to show their readiness to reproduce, to mark out territorial boundaries, to warn off predators, and to attract prey. Snakes have a very unusual way of detecting scents. They use their tongue to pick up scent particles in the air. Apart from these common ones, some animals have unique methods for transmitting messages. Electrocommunication is one such example. It is mostly seen in aquatic animals. Some fishes have the ability to send electric signals as messages. The glowing of fireflies is a means of communication too. They use different kinds of flashes to convey separate messages. Asiatic wild dogs depend on whistling for communication. They use their whistle to send messages across great distances. However, the most beautiful way of communication has been devised by the songbirds. Birds like cuckoo, robin, and magpie make the most beautiful sounds in nature to send and receive messages. The means that animals use to communicate often seem very simple, but they are as effective as the most complex of human languages. So, children, this was the chapter about the way animals talk. So, note down today's assignment, please. Today's assignment is to read the chapter twice, and then you will be writing the new words given on page number 26 neatly in your notebook. Thank you.